Vultr, in collaboration with GeeksForGeeks, hosted the Vultr Cloud Innovate Hackathon, which brought together thousands of students across India. Over 2 months and three qualification rounds, these students leveraged Vultr infrastructure to develop and showcase their projects. I am Radul Swarup, a developer advocate here at Vultr. Today, we are joined by Team Clouders, one of the winners of this event. They'll share details about their project and how Vultr's infrastructure helped them in their journey.
This is a demonstration video of our solution Lexi's AI and AI powered dyslexic support system. We are Team Clouders and myself Siddharth Chakravarti, and my teammates Neha Jain will be coming on later. So, what is our problem statement? Dyslexia is a common learning difficulty affecting individuals' ability to read, write, and spell. Close to 7% of the global population suffers from dyslexia. However, if we take into consideration the undiagnosed cases, this statistic goes up to 20%. Existing solutions often lack adaptability to different levels of dyslexia severity. This gap hinders the ability of dyslexic individuals to fully engage in academic and professional environments, impacting their overall quality of life. So, why did we choose this specific problem statement and what do we aim to achieve from this? The basic objective of our project is to develop an AI powered support system that assists dyslexic individuals in improving their reading, writing, and comprehension skills. We intend to leverage NLP, speech recognition, and text to speech technologies to provide personalized assistance to dyslexic individuals tailored to their specific levels of dyslexia. Our overall goal is to empower dyslexic users to engage with text more effectively, boost their academic performance, and build confidence in their language abilities. So, I'll now be proceeding with explaining our overall solution. Firstly, the user will be provided with three dyslexia screening tests: the phonological awareness test, the Kaufman assessment battery test, and the gray oral reading test. Depending on the scores achieved in these three tests, the user will be classified as mild, moderate, or severely dyslexic. Depending on that classification, we'll be providing personalized learning paths to the users. Mild dyslexic users would be provided with reading passages and reading comprehensions. Someone who is moderately dyslexic would also be provided with memory games to aid learning further. And for someone who is also severely dyslexic, they will be provided these three games as well as a phonological improvement assistant for the same.
So our solution consists of some USP. The first one is the document simplification, wherein a PDF is going to be provided by the user and the text is going to be simplified, and also a smart highlighting feature is integrated in this, wherein important points are going to be highlighted. The second one is the writing support, wherein a text or an image is going to be provided by the user and the coherence is going to get improved, and also if any mistakes are present in the text, then they are also going to get rectified. The last one is the notes and mind map generation, wherein a PDF is going to be provided by the user and notes are going to be generated, and also a mind map with all the important points is going to be generated. A smart highlighting feature is also integrated in this segment. The next thing is our system architecture, wherein there are three dyslexic tests which are present in our system. All the necessary information about the test is stored in the Vultr managed MySQL databases. Score is going to be generated from these three dyslexic screening tests, and from that, if a user is a mild dyslexic user, then he's going to be provided with adaptive daily reading exercises and reading comprehension. For a moderate dyslexic user, in addition to these two, a memory matching game is also going to be provided, and for a dyslexic one, in addition to these three, a phonological improvement assistant is going to be provided. Apart from all these things, we also have AI powered writing assistant, AI powered document conversion, and mind map generation. There is also a chatbot present in our system which is going to take the text, audio, or an image as an input and then going to provide a suitable response. We have also integrated dyslexic friendly fonts to make it more accessible for all the users. How did we use Vultr's infrastructure? So for that we have used two compute instances, one for our React front end and second for a Flask backend. Then we also have used Vultr block storage, which is basically going to store all the files, all the images, all the PDFs. Then we have also used Vultr managed SQL database, which is going to store all the information about the tests, the passages for the reading comprehension and reading passages. Um Now, the future scope of our project is to create a multilingual support to make it more accessible for all the people across the globe, and to also increase our database for our dyslexic screening tests, as well as for our reading passages, reading comprehensions, memory games, and phonological improvement assistant. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed the team's project and saw how they used Vultr infrastructure to solve a real world problem. It's always great to see creative solutions come to life. Thank you for joining us today and supporting these students. We look forward to seeing more amazing projects in the future.